What's up everyone? We're in Parlatuvier Bay in Tobago and we're going to check out a brand new waterfall called House River Waterfall. And just so you know, the track starts on the other side of the road, directly across from this sign. Let's go and see.
From the blue, look.
What's the name of this falls?
Known as House River Falls in Parlatuvier.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah, it's lovely, eh?
And kind of unknown, eh?
Reasonably, yeah. More to the villagers and a couple tour guides, you know.
Nice.
But recently, a lot of these falls have been popping up all over with everybody coming to Tobago crazy these days, which is awesome, you know.
Good vibe, good vibe.
Yeah, the gems are being exposed, which is awesome.
What about a 20-minute hike, moderate level?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Level 2,
Yeah.
couple little climbs, but nothing major. A nice wet head. Whew.